Hey everyone, my name is Dor and I'm a tattooer from Israel. The thing that I wanted to share with everyone is my way of composing a koi fish. Just sketching it and just showing you the little tricks that helped me learn how to do it. Hopefully they will help you guys as well. So what I start off, I just take just a pencil, just any pencil, and what I started off is just doing some kind of a teardrop shape, just a general teardrop shape. And then after this, depends on how you want the fish to go, just add like another part. So the first shape that you have is like kind of like a peanut shape, something like this, which I already made beforehand so you guys can see. So this is the starting point. This is your general shape. After you have this general shape, I try and I look for the center point, right? So I just find like the spine of the fish. I take this center part and I add to this like shape, I just add something more pointy, like this is gonna be the front, like the nose of the fish. After I have this nailed, I just find all the centers, right? So what I would look for, of course, I already have this one. Then I'll take from here to here and just find like this center. And then from here to here, you have another one. So on this one, this is where the eye is gonna be. So you locate your eye just in a way that makes sense to you, Then you add these two. Then the next point is gonna be just drawing the mouth, right? So you go in a little bit, you use this. This is still the center, right, that you're gonna use. This is the spine. So you just add, you can go with a bigger mouth, with a smaller one, it's up to you. Each can do whatever he prefers, Then you draw the fins. Then you have this. The next part, you're gonna draw the scales. So this is how it looks like with the scales, but I just like to start, I'll just show you like what I do to get it started. So I start from this part. Okay, I use this center, it's gonna be the center of this one, and then I just start building it off from here. So once you've done like a few scales, you generally have this. It's gonna go back on the entire way of the fish. And you have this. So you just try to keep the distances the same, and you can see how the scale just form for you. You don't have to be accurate at this point, you just want to get it going. So then you have the scales, and you do the same. This is kind of continues the same way, So you have this part. On that layer, you can start and just finish up all the scales, And that's it. This is the rough sketch of the koi fish. Of course, you can start with the initial shape, just do it differently every time, and you're gonna have different positions. You can make it go up, you can make it go down. You can just do whatever you want to do with it. So hopefully I was helping all you guys, and you can try it yourself. Have fun with it.